My dear students, I shall teach you about a great figure in English literature. In Elizabethan period, Ben Jonson, Francis Bacon, and Shakespeare are known as a great figure in the English literature. William Shakespeare is both a great dramatist and a sonneteer. He was born on 23rd April 1564 at Stafford-on-Avon, in England. It is said that 23rd April is not a confirmed date of birth of him, but it is confirmed by the register in which he was baptized on 26th April 1564. So it is confirmed that he was born on 23rd April 1564. He was sent to school at the age of 7 in grammar school, but he could not complete his education because of the poverty of his father. His father, John Shakespeare, was a butcher by profession. He could not afford the charges of his education. This is why he left the school. In school, he learned some Latin and French, as well as any third language, and he joined the life of a theater where he worked as a laborer. But he was a curious person. He improved his knowledge and improved the dramas written by others. In this way, by practice, he wrote about 37 dramas, and among his dramas, there are 4 great tragedies of the world and 2 great comedies, As You Like It and Twelfth Night. 4 tragedies are Macbeth, Othello, King Lear, and Hamlet. He is not only a great dramatist, but he is a great sonneteer also. He composed 154 sonnets. He wrote 28 sonnets for his friend and 126 sonnets for his beloved. He was married with Anne Hathaway. She was elder to him by 8 years. At the age of 21, he burdened with the 3 children. First was his daughter, and the second were twins. His only son was passed away in 1596. Shakespeare is a great figure in the literature. In our country, he is also known. Kalidas is called the Shakespeare of India. So he is a great figure of the